everyone, this is Mia from Magic Laser. We are a supplier of laser machines such as laser marking machine, laser welding machine, laser cutting machine. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the laser welding machine. They are equipped with internationally renowned brands. This is the 1.5 kilowatt 4-in-1 laser welding machine of SUP23T operating system. Requires laser source, SNA, Wattage auto weld feeder. It can weld, cut thin plates, remove rust, and clean welds. For welding function, this laser welding machine is easy to operate, and the welders who are not good at welding can also weld beautiful welds. This can greatly save labor costs for our customers. For cutting function, this 4-in-1 laser welding machine can achieve thin plate cutting, and the cutting speed is fast. For cleaning and rust removal function, it can quickly peel off the rust layer on the surface of the material and expose the original material. In addition, our welding machine is also equipped with a thicker casing, smooth universal wheels, and thick cables, which not only ensure the quality and service life of the machine, but also ensure the customer's experience of using the machine. If you are interested in our machine, contact us for free, please.